Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the BitLocker Drive Encryption cannot be used. Error code 0x8031004a. BitLocker Drive Encryption cannot be used because critical BitLocker system files are missing or corrupted. Use Windows Startup Repair to restore these files to your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. So I'm going to have several commands in the description of the video. So first thing we're going to do is copy the command to disable the Windows recovery environment. So go ahead and copy that. It should be the first command, should end with \disable. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, hit enter. Should say operation successful. So at this point, go ahead and proceed to disconnect the external hard drive. And then you want to go ahead and enter the second command, which will re-enable the Windows recovery environment. And go ahead and paste it into the command prompt in the same way we did the first one. And give that a moment here. Should come back with operation successful. So now at this point, reconnect your external hard drive to your computer and see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, you can try and run a system file tracker utility scan. Again, I will have this command in the description of my video, but it's pretty short, so I'm going to go ahead and just proceed to type it in here manually. So just SFC, then a space /scannow. Scannow is one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so Windows Resource Protection did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And hopefully that has resolved the problem. If you are still having a problem, we can go into the Windows Startup Repair utility, open up the Start menu, select the Power button, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. And then while holding that down, or basically just applying pressure to that key, go ahead and select the Restart button. Again, hold down the Shift key, and then once it says please wait, and you notice another screen loading here, you can release pressure on the Shift key. So just give that a moment here. And this will launch advanced options. At this point, select the Troubleshoot button, reset your PC or see advanced options. Select advanced options again, and then select Startup Repair, fix prompts to keep Windows from loading. Go ahead and left click on that. And then give this a couple minutes to run. So if you're having server problems, this was something to explore here. It could not repair our PC. You go back to advanced options here as well under troubleshoot and then advanced options. You can also select the uninstall updates option and then uninstall the latest quality update to roll back a recent Windows update. That could potentially be a cause of an issue as well. But we're going to go ahead and just continue and exit back to Windows 11 because at this point, hopefully your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.